Yes, tell me. Hmm. 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 Means means like hmm. Stored energy is 10% only. Means like whatever we are eating. Suppose you just take our example. Okay, we are eating a lot of things from morning to the evening. Most of the food, most of the nutrient our body utilize for its build up, for its activities, and some of the portion it is stored in the form of glycogen or the fats. So most of the food we utilize for the life processes, for the metabolic activities which occur in our body. So on every trophic level, 90% energy is lost and only 10% is transferred to the next trophic level. Means if one organism is eaten by another organism, only 10% will be reached to the next trophic level. Rest 90% is what you can say lost in the form of heat. Heat means they can be used for the life processes, and during the eating process also some of the energy is lost, some of the food is lost during the energy during that what you can say, like if we talk about we cook the food, so some amount of the food is wasted while cooking also, and then we eat, and then that most of the amount of the food that uses our body for the life processes, whatever the life processes occur in our body, and some of the part that is stored in our body. So on every trophic level only 10% it is restored to the next level. 90% it is just wasted, or you can say it is utilized or it's lost in the form of heat. Hmm. 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 Yes. Okay. So that means that point is clear. Means only 10% is passed to the next trophic level. Means 10%, 10% not continue, means out of the 100% of the of the first topic, it goes 10% to the next level only. Yes, yes, on every topic level only 10% will be reaching to the next stage. Like the from producer, suppose producers having, here I have shown you 6,000 10,000 kilocalorie. So in second trophic level only 1,000 kilocalorie will be reaching in the next trophic level, and then to the next, that is means 10% of it is 100, and then 10% of 100 is the 10 only. So the last traffic level is the 10 kilocalorie, means it's a 10% of each traffic level. Are you getting? Means 100 is of.
So means like means it's of 10% of every trophic level. Just now, just like I have shown you this picture, in this it 10,000 kilocalories. So 10% of 10,000 is 1,000 here, and 10% of 1,000 is 100, and 10% of 100 is 10 kilocalorie. So it's 10% of each trophic level. So I'll show you.